Hey guys, welcome back. If your weekend breakfasts need an upgrade, you're in the right place. Today, I'm testing the top 6 waffle makers on Amazon right now, from budget mini flippers to double Belgian beasts, so you don't waste money on a dud. I'll break down the pros, the cons, and who each one is actually built for. If you're searching for the best Belgian waffle maker, a mini waffle maker, a double waffle maker, or a multi-purpose breakfast appliance, this comparison video covers it all. Let's get into it. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights. Product number 1. Chefman Rotating Belgian Waffle Maker. I'll be honest, the rotating design on this one genuinely won me over the first time I used it. Flipping the plate as it cooks spreads the batter evenly, so you get that deep golden color on both sides without babysitting it every 30 seconds. It makes thick, restaurant-style Belgian waffles with those deep pockets that hold syrup like a champ, and the non-stick plates clean up in seconds with just a damp cloth. The indicator lights are super clear too, so you're never guessing if it's ready. On the downside, it does run on the bulkier side, so if your cabinet space is tight, you'll want to measure first. The handle also gets warm faster than I expected, so grab a towel before you flip it. And while it's great for one waffle at a time, it's not the fastest option if you're feeding a crowd on a busy morning. Product number 2. Cuisinart Double Flip Belgian Waffle Maker. This one's a total game changer if you're cooking for family or meal prepping for the week. The double flip design lets you make 2 waffles at once, which honestly cuts my breakfast time in half. Build quality feels premium too. Brushed stainless steel housing, sturdy hinges, and adjustable browning control, so you can dial in exactly how crispy you like your edges. The non-stick plates release the waffles cleanly almost every single time. That said, it's not a small appliance. It takes up real counter space and storage space, so tiny kitchens might struggle. It also runs a bit pricier than the single waffle models on this list, though I'd argue the double batch capacity justifies it. One more thing, the cord is on the shorter side, so outlet placement matters more than you'd think. Product number 3. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. If you live alone, have a tiny kitchen, or just want something fun for kids, this mini waffle maker is honestly adorable and surprisingly capable. It's compact enough to store in a drawer, heats up in under 5 minutes, and makes perfectly portioned single waffles that are great for portion control if you're watching your intake. It's also fantastic for creative recipes. Think cookie waffles, hash brown waffles, even mini pizza waffles, since it's small and cheap enough to experiment with. The obvious trade-off is size. You're only making one small waffle at a time, so it's not practical for feeding more than 1 or 2 people quickly. The plates also aren't removable, which makes deep cleaning a little more tedious. Still, for the price point, it's hard to beat as a fun, low-commitment starter waffle maker. Product number 4. Hamilton Beach Double Flip Belgian Waffle Maker. This is the workhorse pick on the list. The double flip mechanism again lets you cook 2 waffles simultaneously, and the browning control dial actually makes a noticeable difference between light and fluffy and deep golden crunchy. I also appreciate that the plates are non-stick and wipe clean quickly. Plus, it comes with a handy recipe booklet that's actually useful if you're new to Belgian-style waffles. On the flip side, some users report the hinge feels a little less sturdy over long-term daily use compared to pricier models. It's also fairly heavy, so lifting it in and out of a cabinet daily isn't ideal. This is more of a leave-it-on-the-counter appliance. Preheat time is decent, but not instant, so budget a few extra minutes if you're rushing out the door. Product number 5. Black & Decker 3-in-1 Waffle Maker. This is the most versatile option on this list, hands down. Beyond waffles, it swaps plates to also work as a grill and a griddle, which makes it a genuinely useful multi-purpose appliance rather than something that just sits in a cabinet after the novelty wears off. The interchangeable plates are dishwasher safe too, which is a huge plus for cleanup after busy mornings. The catch is that swapping plates does take a minute, so it's not as instant as a dedicated single-purpose waffle maker. It's also a bit heavier once you account for the extra plates and storage case. And while the waffle setting performs well, die-hard Belgian waffle purists might find the pockets slightly shallower than dedicated deep pocket machines like the Chefman or Cuisinart on this list. Product number 6. Green Pan Elite 4-Square Belgian Waffle Maker. This one's for anyone who wants to feed the whole family at once without standing at the counter making batch after batch. The 4-square design cooks 4 waffles simultaneously, and Green Pan's ceramic nonstick coating is a nice bonus if you're trying to avoid traditional PFAS-based coatings in your kitchen gear. The waffles come out with a satisfying crisp shell and soft interior, and cleanup is genuinely easy thanks to that ceramic surface. The main downside is footprint. This is a large appliance that needs real counter or storage space, so it's not ideal for smaller kitchens. It also runs on the higher end price-wise compared to single or double waffle makers on this list. Preheating 4 plates also takes slightly longer than single waffle units, so plan a few extra minutes if you're in a rush. And that's my honest breakdown of the top 6 waffle makers on Amazon right now. If this helped you decide, smash that like button, drop a comment with your pick, and subscribe for more reviews. Check the link in the description for prices. See you in the next video!